Hey guys, and Samsung just made the alpha flagship the Galaxy A90 official, and this is their third smartphone with the flagship level features and 5G connectivity. So let's start with the design and specifications. On front you get a U-shaped drop notch, 6.7 inches screen and a really tiny chin. Instead of a hole like S10 or Note 10, this Samsung flagship has a notch which covers almost the same space like those two. So all depends on your taste, which one would you choose. The exciting part is it do features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and I think that's ultrasonic cause Samsung do mentions when pasting a screen protector the on-screen fingerprint may not work, and that's the same case with the S10 and the Note 10, so it's slightly ultrasonic only. On the back we have two-tone design. The first half has gradient finish which looks nice in the white one, while in the black one the second half has gradient finish. And the headphone jack is gone, and again it's not coming back, at least in their flagship phones. That's sad. And the specifications wise, it has the Snapdragon 855 SoC with X55G modem, 6/8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. So basically all the flagship level stuff. However, you may not find the camera that impressive cause it has a 32 megapixel selfie and 48 plus 5 plus 8 megapixel rear camera, and both these are not having the optical image stabilization, the OIS, which is quite disappointing. They do have EIS. And at last there is a 4500 mAh battery with super fast 25 watts charging. This is amazing. So that's all. Your Samsung Galaxy A90 5G goes on sale starting 4th September in Korea, and you get two color options, that's black and white, and the pricing is 900,000 won, that's $739 as per the information from retailers. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe and turn on the notifications for the latest news. Your comments right now. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.